In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Facebook ads post ID. This process is quick and straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to effortlessly retrieve the post ID for any of your Facebook ads. First and foremost, you'll need to head over to the Facebook Ads Manager. You can easily find it by doing a quick search on Google. Once you have access to the page, look for the button that says Go to Ads Manager and click on it. This will take you directly into the Ads Manager environment where all the magic happens. Once there, if prompted, log into your Facebook account using your email and password. It's important to ensure you have the right credentials, as this will grant you access to your ads dashboard. After entering your details, click on the Log In button. This step may require completing any multi-factor authentication you have set up, so be prepared if that's the case. Once you're inside the Ads Manager, you'll want to proceed to the Campaigns dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of all your ads campaigns. Look towards the top or side of your screen for the section labelled All Tools and click on it. This will give you access to a comprehensive menu of options. From there, one of the key areas you'll need to access is Business Settings. Navigate through your options until you locate this setting and give it a click. Within the Business Settings page, you'll need to select your preferred account. This ensures you are managing the correct set of advertisements, especially if you're operating multiple business accounts on Facebook. Once you've selected the appropriate account, direct your attention to the Meta Business Suite. This is a crucial tool within Facebook's business management settings, offering a streamlined way to manage your content and ads. Inside the Meta Business Suite, find and click on the Content section. Here is where your published posts, including ads, are neatly organized. Now let's find that specific ad post. Scroll through your list of published posts until you locate the ad in question. Once you've found it, click on the ad to open up its detailed view. Within this overview, you'll see a variety of information about your ad, including engagement metrics and other data. To wrap things up, focus on the section under Post Overview. Here, the post ID is presented clearly, ready for you to copy. Just copy the post ID and voila. You've successfully retrieved your Facebook ads post ID. Remember, having the post ID is essential, particularly if you're looking to optimize your campaigns or track performance. It's amazing how a few clicks can lead you straight to the information you need to effectively manage your advertising efforts on Facebook. Thank you for tuning in, and now you are fully equipped to find any post IDs you might need in the future.